Hey guys, there's really three things that you need to be looking for when you're looking at purchasing a home. The first one is going to be your income. Your income is going to determine how much you can purchase. Your credit score is going to determine who's going to lend to you. And then of course, the last is your down payment. And that's going to determine also how much you can borrow and how big your mortgage will be in relation to the purchase price. So if you have any questions, reach out. I'm happy to help and start your real estate journey with our team.